going public hearing on the 4th of July. We really want to go over there, but there are some little skibitis running around. The little Ohio kids. All right, we went over there anyway.
Y'all, here we are for public hearing. Y'all, those kids that we just showed you and their like entire family were outside. They were driving a car towards us, like the little kid was, the little 2-year-old. So that's great. There's preppy Sephora kids all around us. We're gonna die here. All right, we're safe over here now from all the preppies. They're gone now, sort of, and we're waiting to get food. We were just recorded by preppy Sephora kids.
Yeah! Good popcorn. 9/10.
Hey guys, it's us. We're still alive, and the preppies are most likely.
The preppies are being preppy.
So yeah.
Oh no, that was Snippy.
I gotta escape that voice.
That board so here is a puzzle montage. Doing quads BC of Skibidi Dilly Quiz.
So preppy.
Rena and Cleo's chaos. Time for some DTI.
It's so preppy in here.
Is it just as preppy as you imagine?
Yes. The little skibbities who said they're wearing a tail like.
Some girls came up to us and complimented us on our masks and tails and asked us if we were on it. It gets better. The preppy girls asked us some questions about our tails and masks and said that our masks were cool, and so was the ethical tails were cool too. A older lady also told me that she really liked my tails and said that they were pretty.